People throughout the world are being taught that they have a disease that they don't have, the disease of addiction, the chronic progressive illness that we call substance use addiction, right? And then they're being told they have this chronic progressive illness and that they need treatment for it. And now Big Pharma's involved, and it's just sort of mess because nobody's getting well, and our overdose rates continue to rise or fluctuate at the high levels that they've been for the last few years, and we have more treatment available than ever, any other time in history. So something is terribly wrong, and it's time to change that. So we now have had, we're in the middle of our second session with coaching certification. We have some fantastic people that are going to be coaches in different parts of the world. We have now affiliates in 4 different countries and people that are going to be spreading the word about the freedom model. There's, Jared taught me something years and years ago, many decades ago. He said, in the fullness of time, everything good gets done. And, doing something that is good sort of fluctuates through difficulty. It's like a waveform through difficulty. And the freedom model has certainly had that in its development. It's been a tough row to hoe. And but what's extraordinary out of this is that we have the solution to addiction. Here's the crazy part. The solution to addiction is the individual. It's you. If you have a problem, you're your solution. It's not a pill. It's not a meeting. It's not anything external to you. It's you. And so people don't know that. People are told that there's some strange illness that they really can't define. It's sort of this metaphorical thing that they talk about with brain chemistry and things like that. Now, we go through in all our videos and our training programs, we break that down and destroy those myths. We debunk them. We crush them with logic and science, real research, and logic and common sense. I can't tell you the number of people who sit and talk with me, and then I'll give them the common sense logic that, of course, you don't have a disease, and then all the reasoning behind that thought and idea. And they're like, you're giving words to things that I've been thinking, and I was told I was crazy for thinking. And that's the classic gaslighting of treatment in America today and elsewhere now. So it's big business. Treatment is big business, and it's time to change that. So this video is asking if you're interested in the freedom model, if you've read our book, if you've maybe gone through our workshops, or you've watched our family program, or maybe you have our online program and it changed your life, or maybe you're new to the freedom model, but you have a coaching practice. Maybe you're a psychologist or a psychiatrist. We get a lot of that, a lot of interest there. And you're ready for something different. Then this is it. So this book took the world by storm in 2017. It's 470 pages of common sense, logic, and research. And it's changing the world. So if you haven't got a copy of it, get the audiobook. That's available. You can get everything in the link below in the comment section, and check it out. If you want to get certified, or you want more information about that, go to our live event. We have them each week, and they're free. And you can spend an hour with Michelle and I, and there's a Q&A at the end. You can ask the questions, and we show exactly how we coach and how we change lives. So I hope you'll take the time to come to our live event, inquire. And there's also the coaching certification tab on the website. You can look there. If you want to know more about me or Michelle, hit the About tab on the website. That's at thefreedommodel.org. And look us up. Google us. Check it out. We've been doing this for 36 years. We've helped over now 28,000 people. And a lot of success stories there. A lot of lives changed. and without meetings, without endless recovery, without rehabs, without endless medications, without any of that apparatus, without feeling deprived, without lifelong recovery, without any of that. Just the person figuring out why they do what they do, why they prefer intoxication, challenging that with the facts, coming to new conclusions, changing their lives, and moving on. That's what the freedom model does. If you're somebody who's ready to become an affiliate or ready to become a coach, let's have an interview. Let's spend a little time together on Zoom. Set up your time to meet with me, and let's discuss the options for you. You can have a fantastic career in this.